Hi guys, good morning. How are you? And welcome back to my channel. I am dreading today because I have to clean the apartment, but it has to be done. It's something that has to be done, and I'm taking advantage today because my boyfriend's actually pulling in some overtime, which is actually better because that way I can clean on my own and just everything will just move way quicker. And no distractions, no nothing. So guys, let's jump right into the video because I want to show you guys how I clean everything, just everything from top to bottom. And yeah, let's go right now. So first off, I like to wake up and I like to do my bed first. Now I'm taking out all the old sheets and I'm gonna start putting on the new ones. So I put all the covers on and I move on to the pillows and start putting the covers on the pillows. And after that, I like to put on the huge duvet cover. And then I take all my other clothes that I have lying around and I'm just putting them away pretty much. And of course, while watching a little bit of TV, can't leave that out. I changed my jammies. Now I'm just vacuuming. Please don't mind that big pile of laundry right there. Next up, I like to vacuum the little hallway right before getting into the bathroom. And now I'm in the living room just folding the little blanket we have. And next up, I'm just taking everything out and I'm cleaning the TV stand. I just like to clean it with a wet Bounty. Next up, I'm just picking up all the random clothes we have around. I like to clean the center table glass with a little bit of Windex. Any glass surfaces, I use Windex. So next up, I'm just going to grab the vacuum and just start vacuuming quickly. And I vacuum the little hallway right there as well. And next up, I'm going to go into the bathroom and I'm going to start cleaning the bathroom. First, I'm vacuuming it just to take the little hairs or anything else off. Then I'm just folding the towels. Don't mind them. It's all miscolored. So next up, I'm just going to clean the tub. Just use a little bit of Clorox, Windex, and just a bit of shampoo and scrub everything down. Washing it out. Then next up, I'm going to just clean the floors. Now the sinks, just the Clorox and Windex pretty much. Back in. Now it's on to the kitchen. Washing the dishes. Wished I washed them that quickly in real life. Now I'm cleaning the stove. Next up, I'm just picking everything that's lying around in the kitchen. Just cleaning up the table mostly and just throwing away anything that we don't need. And I just dust off the table with a little wood cleaner. And I used a Swiffer, and that's pretty much it actually for the kitchen. Oh my god, so finally, oh my gosh, so I'm actually already done. Well, that looks weird, but I'm actually already done. I just finished. It took me about I think it took me almost like 3 hours to clean the apartment, but I did it before the afternoon hit. So I'm so excited because I feel like I was so proactive today. and I got a lot of stuff done. Like, my back is hurting already because I was just like deep cleaning. The apartment needed it because we come home super late from work, and sometimes we don't even want to do anything because we're just like so exhausted. And I'm just very excited to have gotten that done. So yeah. So I'm gonna go take a hot shower. I'm gonna go take a hot shower because your girl is getting old, man. Getting old. And thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really enjoy making them. So guys, if you are enjoying the video, please don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the videos so far. This is, you know, I haven't done that many videos yet, but if you like to see more videos regarding the apartment or anything like that, I'm thinking about doing kind of like an apartment tour, so let me know if you guys are interested in watching that video. I would love to show you guys. It'd be exciting. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel right there, the red button that says subscribe down below, and hit that bell button.